Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here. I'm back at the Fleet project. Hopefully you've seen the overview video. If not, you want to go back and watch that. And this video, I'm going to be explaining much more of the details about this amazing gym and wellness suite that we've completed for this client over here in Fleet. So we've got two 30 square metre buildings here. Because of the extra height needed for the gym, we've actually reached out and had planning. So we got planning permission for these buildings. That's allowed us to go extra height and also do some really nice things like put roof lights in and things like that. This first 6x5 building is purely a gym. And I've got to say, it is kitted out beautifully. All of the items are techno gym. Absolutely love that. You've got the kinesis machine here. I've never seen one of these before, but this is a cable resistance, electronic cable resistance, really beautiful. A water rower in the corner, and then this whole bank of mirrors. We actually even cut out a little section of the mirror to be able to put this big TV in there, which actually looks really cool. I love that. Sonos speakers in the corner, Dakin stylish. Climate control unit in here, and then a nice big punch bag and a little radiator just really to hang towels on because the climate's doing the heating. The roof light floods the light in. I absolutely love it. Tri-sliding doors on the front, and that extra height feels really nice. So 30 square meters is the biggest building. We've then linked 230 squared together with this corridor that's fire rated, and we've utilized this corridor to do quite a lot of stuff. So the client's actually fitted a full-blown like kitchenette into this. We've got a cooker tap, units up the top, a lovely marble effect top on there, and it looks really nice. And then with the glass here, it doesn't feel too claustrophobic. And then you come through to the wellness suite. As you come into this main area here, the light floods in from another one of the M-glaze roof lights that we've got. And then check this out. An absolutely beautiful custom-made steam room. All of the generators, all in the plant room, along with the along with the pool equipment that we shared earlier, and then a beautiful custom-made sauna right next door. I've got the proper rocks, the coal heating on there, all the lighting's done. Now in this particular one, for privacy, we wanted the integrated blinds. Because of the steam, we're a little bit concerned about the plastics of the bits on the outside and the magnets. So we've actually put a heat glass in there, so when you're controlling the blinds through the bits of plastic, they're actually protected. And what a great space. So you've got both the sauna and the steam room in this lovely space here. And then also, because you've got a pool and all these things, you're going to need a bathroom, and this is lovely. So it's 1.2 meters deep. That's allowed us to put a 1.2 shower tray in there and work really nicely. We've done a wet wall on there that looks like marble. You've got the basin, the toilet, even a Dyson hand dryer. All of the towels are up in there as well, and I've got to say, it really does look lovely. Again, Sonos speakers all integrated, and then we come through the door to the outside. So, I mean, that's two 30 square metre rooms, and it's doing a lot of work there, but isn't it lovely? And it's a great addition to this property. So as well as all of that, you've got the store section here, and then behind that, you've got the plant room as well. So there's a really lovely way of integrating the space and making it work, and it's a project that we are really proud to do. The client's given us a 5-star review, and it's been great working with Roman pools, with Grillo kitchens and Caribbean blinds on this amazing project. And there you go. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this building. Let us know your thoughts on this fantastic project, and yeah, please like, subscribe and share what we do. Thank you.